Hello everyone, this is Prashant Pandey, and in this lecture we will discuss some important concepts related to socio-economic offenses. In this lecture we will discuss the concept of hoarding, profiteering, and the definition of essential commodities as provided under section 2 of the Essential Commodities Act. So first we will discuss the concept of hoarding. Hoarding, which is the undue accumulation by a person or combination of persons of any basic commodity beyond his or their normal inventory levels, or the unreasonable limitation or refusal to dispose of, sell, or distribute the stocks of any basic necessity of prime commodity to the general public, or the unjustified taking out of any basic necessity or prime commodity from the channels of reproduction, trade, commerce, and industry. So basically, hoarding means when a person or group of persons started accumulating essential things which is necessary for the livelihood of peoples, in speculation that by that process the prices of the commodity will increase in future, that is considered as hoarding. Also, when any shopkeeper or when any distributor refuse to sell or distribute the stocks which is available within the market and which is necessary for basic things, it will also be considered as a process of hoarding which is illegal in context of societal needs. Now comes to profiteering. Profiteering, which is the sale or offering for sale of any basic necessity or prime commodity at a price grossly in excess of its true worth. So after the process of hoarding, when an individual or group of persons started selling those commodities at a higher price than the basic price of that commodity, it is known as or considered as profiteering. There shall be prima facie evidence of profiteering whenever a basic necessity or prime commodity being sold. For example, when a price tag is not available on any commodity, when a shopkeeper or when a distributor is selling any commodity without a price tag, it is considered as profiteering and also a black marketeering. Second thing is when the shopkeeper or a distributor is misrepresenting the customers about the weights and measurement of the commodity. Third is when a commodity is sold in any adulterated or diluted form to the customers. This will fall under this category, the category of profiteering. Also, whenever a person raises the price of any basic necessity or prime commodity, he sells or offers for sale to the general public by more than 10% of its price in the immediately preceding month. So, if any shopkeeper, any distributor is selling any commodity which is the basic needs of the peoples, by more than 10% of its price, which is the price of that commodity in the immediately preceding month, then it will be considered as illegal and will fall under the category of profiteering. Now comes to the definition of essential commodities. The definition has been provided under Section 2A of the Essential Commodities Act. According to this, essential commodity means a commodity specified in the schedule. So, any commodity which has been mentioned under the schedule of the Act will be considered as a essential commodity, and any illegal selling or stocking of that commodity against the limit which has been prescribed under the Act will be considered as hoarding, or selling of that product will be considered as black marketing. Under the schedule, the following commodities has been considered as essential commodities. First is drugs. Second, the fertilizers, whether inorganic, organic or mixed. Foodstuffs including edible oil seeds and oils. Foodstuffs, it may be rice, it may be wheat, it may be pulses also, which is the basic needs of the peoples for their livelihood. After that, yarn, hank yarn made wholly from cotton, petroleum and petroleum products, raw jute and jute textiles, and at last, seeds of food crops and seeds of fruits and vegetables, seeds of cattle fodder and jute seeds will be considered as essential commodities, and any individual or group of individuals will not be entitled to accumulate these commodities beyond a reasonable limit which has been prescribed by the government orders in their gazettes. Thank you so much.